In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery in your ADT Command Wireless Door Window Sensor SiXCTA. This sensor is compatible with these panels and requires one 3-volt CR123A battery, available for purchase on myadt.com. You'll know it's time to replace the battery when you receive a low battery message on your system panel, touchscreen, or in your control app. Now, let's get started. Log into myadt.com and put your system in test mode. This will prevent the ADT monitoring center from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn about test mode. Disarm your system at your command panel or your touchscreen. Next, to access the battery compartment, you'll need to take the sensor down from its mounted location. To do this, press the bottom latch of the mounting bracket to release it from the backplate. Then slide the sensor away from the latch and take it straight off. If the top screw is used, remove it before attempting to separate the sensor. Then, grasp the sensor in both hands and slide the front and back parts in opposite directions to separate them. You may hear a tamper tone or see an error message on the panel. Don't worry, this is normal. Now that you have access to the battery compartment, remove the used battery. Wait 10 seconds. Then, insert the new battery. Make sure it's placed in the device correctly, with the positive end toward the screw hole. Slide the front and back pieces back together. Replace the top screw if applicable. Then, remount the door window sensor by sliding the sensor onto the mounted backplate until the latch clicks in place. To clear the tamper alert and stop the beeping, go to your command panel and enter the appropriate sequence for your panel. That's it! You can now take your system out of test mode and resume normal use of your ADT Command Door Window Sensor. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT security devices and system, or to chat with an agent.